or it's also called data analysis. What is data analysis? Data analysis is a process of collecting data. Data analysis is for data, is used to collect data to reach a conclusion. Basically, data analysis used to collect data, used for data. Now, methods of data analysis. In our book, there are three methods of data analysis. Number one, dot plot or dot diagram, stem and leaf diagrams, frequency tables and histograms. First of all, dot plot or dot diagram. Dot diagram is a graphical display of data using dots. Dot is this. This is called dot. Dot diagram is graphical display of data to represent the data using dots, using chut. Now see the example. In this example, the noon temperature in degree centigrade of Singapore, Prathet Singapore, during 2 weeks, Song Sapta, are as follows. This one is the data of temperature of Singapore during 2 weeks. 1 week me 7 days. 1 week me jet 1. 2 weeks me 14 days. Sipsi 1. So this data temperature of 2 weeks means 2 weeks 14 days. Sipsi 1. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 14 days, temperature of 14 days of Singapore. Now represent the data on dot diagram. Now for dot diagram, first of all, we have to write a line. Then start from smallest number, Noithisut number, smallest number. In this data, smallest number, Noithisut 25. Yisipha 25. So we start from number 25. 25, 26, 27, 28. Mark Thisut number, largest number 35. Samsipha, smallest number 25, largest number 35. So data between 25 to 35. Largest number Samsipha, largest number here 35. Now first of all see 25. Number 25. Now number 25 only one time. One number of 25. One number of 25. That's why here one dot. And 26 me 26 degree centigrade, no have 26. So here 26 have no dot because here in data no number of 26. Now 27, 27, 27, 1, 27 only one number of 27. 127, that's why only one dot, one dot. Then number 28, 28 in data 1, 2. Two numbers of 28, 1, 2. So two numbers of 28, 1, 2, that's why two dots, 1, 2, two dots. Now 29, number 29, 1, 2, 3. Three numbers of 29, 1, 2, 3. Three numbers of 29, that's why three dots, 1, 2, 3. Then number 30, number 30, 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four numbers of 30. This one Samsip, 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 Samsip. Ning, Song, Sam, Si. Four numbers of 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four numbers of 30. That's why four dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now number 31. Number 31, 1, 2. Two numbers of 31. 1, 2. 1, 2. Two numbers 31. That's why two dots. 1, 2. Now number 32. Number 32 don't have number 32. My me. Sam Sip song. My me. That's why not right dot. My Kian Chut. Sam Sip song. My me. In data 32. My me. My Kian Chut. Sam Sip Sam Due. Sam Sip Sam Mankan. Sam Sip Sam 33. In data my me don't have, that's why don't write dot. 34, 34 don't have, that's why don't write dot. Last one 35, 35 kenny ning only one, that's why only one dot. So this is called dot plot or dot diagram. This one dot plot of this data. Dot plot, this one is the dot diagram of this data. Now here dots, chut, dots represents days. 1, days. Here during 2 weeks. 2 weeks me sipsi 14 days. So dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 14 dots. These dots represent days. One dot, 25 me, one dot means only one number of 25 means one dot, one day. Ning 1 me 25 degree centigrade temperature means only one day have 25 degree centigrade temperature. 26 don't have means no day have 26 temperature. No day, no day have 26 degree centigrade temperature. 27 same only 1 means 1 day dots represent days means 1 day me 27 temperature. Here 2 dots ning song means song 1 me Isippai temperature. Ning song Psalm 1 me 29 degree centigrade. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days. 4 days have 30 degree centigrade temperature. Here 2. 2 days have 31 degree centigrade temperature. 32, 33, 34 same. No day have 31, 32, 33 degree centigrade temperature. 34. 35 only 1. 1 day have 35 degree centigrade temperature. Now the data. How we can take the data? First of all, range. Range from 25 to 35. Range from 25 to 35. Then smallest. Noithisut Yisip Ha. Range from 25 to 35. Then smallest. Noithisut Yisip Ha. And then Maktisut largest 35. Samsip Ha. This one is called dot plot or dot diagram.